A very good morning to all of my dear students. Today again we will do some sums on equivalent fraction. So let us begin the sums. Sum number 1. Write the missing numerals. You can see the first fraction is given and from the next fractions either the numerator is missing or the denominator. So for those fractions we need to find out the particular numerator or denominator. So now what is the process? What is the procedure to find out the missing numerals? For this kind of sums, we have to concentrate the given fraction and the particular fraction, and other fractions all are to be ignored. So come to the first fraction, first missing numeral. So as we are finding this fraction, for this time being, we have to ignore the rest fractions. So now see, in these two fractions, denominators are given and the one numerator is missing. So we have to find out the numerator. So 4 is becoming 20. As these two are equivalent fraction, you can see all fractions are equal. So equivalent fraction, we need to multiply the same number with numerator and denominator. So 4 has been multiplied with 5, then only we can get 20. So 3 also to be multiplied by 5. So 3 5s are 15. So numerator we got the answer. The first missing numeral we got 15. Now come to the second fraction. This fraction now. So we at this time we will ignore the rest fractions. Only the given fraction we will concentrate and the particular this fraction. So here numerators are given but the one denominator is missing. So 3 is becoming 21. How is it possible? If we multiply 3 with 7, then we can get 21. 3 7s are 21. So we have to multiply 7 with 4 also. So now 4 7s are 28. We got the second missing numeral also. Now come to the next fraction. At this time we will concentrate on the given fraction and this fraction only. These rest fractions are to be ignored. Okay. So here also denominators are given, numerator is missing, one numerator is missing. 4 is becoming 32. So we have multiplied 8, 4 8s are 32. So with 3 also we will multiply 8, 3 8s are 24. Again we got the answer. Now come to the next fraction, the last fraction. Here at this time we will ignore the rest. So 3 is becoming 45 and this denominator is missing. So 3 has been multiplied with 15. So if we multiply 3 15s are we can get 45. So 4 with 4 also we will multiply 15. So 4 15s are 60. So we got the missing numerals for all fractions. So whenever we are doing this kind of sums, we are finding the missing numerals, we will concentrate only the particular fraction and the fraction given one, and the rest fractions for that time being we have to ignore. Now come to the second sum. Discover the pattern and write the next three fractions. Here you can see the first three fractions are given and from the next blanks are given. We have to find the fractions for these blanks by following a particular pattern. So first we have to find out the pattern the fractions are following, the particular fraction which the particular pattern which the fractions are following, that pattern need to be identified. So start. Here the first given fraction is 3/5. Now next is 6/10. So 3 is becoming 6, 5 is becoming 10. How is it possible? If we multiply 3 by 2 and 5 also by 2, then we can get 6/10. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Now next, for the next fraction again 3 is becoming, now this time we will ignore the second one. 3 is becoming 9, 5 is becoming 5. How? If we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. So, for the first fraction we have multiplied 2. For the next fraction we have multiplied 3. So, now what we need to multiply? Yes, we need to multiply by 4, and next fraction also multiply by 5, and next fraction also to be multiplied with 6. But remember, we have to multiply the same number with the denominator and numerator both. So, for these fractions, 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. So, next the first blank, the answer for the first blank we got. Now, this blank we will find out. So, 5 to be multiplied. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now, the last blank. This time we need to multiply by 6. 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30. So, we got all the answers. Okay. Now, come to the last sum. Here, the first fraction is 5 by 1. 5 1. Now, the next fraction is 10 by 2. So, 5 is becoming 10. How? 5 2s are 10, 1 2s are 2. So, this fraction we have multiplied 2. Now, come to the next fraction. Here we have multiplied by 2, and this fraction 5 is becoming 15. How? If we multiply by 3, and 1 is becoming 3. 1 3s are 3. So, this fraction also we have multiplied by 3. So, for the next fraction, what number should be multiplied? Yes, 4 to be multiplied. 4 to be multiplied with this, and next blank 5 to be multiplied, and the lastly 6 to be multiplied. So, if you multiply 5 4s are 20, 1 4s are 4. So, 20 by 4. This blank 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, and lastly 5 6 are 30, 6 1s are 6. So, we got all the answers. So, in this way we will solve this kind of sums. At first we need to find out the particular pattern, then we will solve the sums. Okay, hope I am clear to you all. Now, what you will do? You will copy all the sums in your maths notebook. Then you will do the home assignment that I am giving here. These two you will solve yourself, and you will submit only these two sums in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.